Yeah, yeah, back, stack, racks, black, Mac, stay, strapped, ooh, big, racks, ooh, large, stacks, back, stack, racks, black, Mac.
This is the King Boy channel right here. Today we here out here at the Supreme Collection meet. Y'all gotta check it out. A lot of trucks, a lot of heat out here. Let's go in here and see what's got going on out here. See, here's so hard. I don't even know how he clearing his wheel, but that thing that hard as a mud. Man. This mud so hard. 26 by 16. Is they photos? Is they photos? Oh, they photos. Is one of y'all driving the truck right here? Which one of y'all? That's you right there. This mud so hard right here, bro. This mud hard as a mud. My boy Jordan out here killing the game. What's up, man? How you doing? Man, doing all right. Oh, yeah. The matching shirts count.
I couldn't see her because the damn truck was in the way. You could have included us.
How y'all fellas doing? Y'all doing all right?
What up, man?
I'm King Boy, Malik.
What's up?
Yeah. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? I'm gonna get everybody here. What's up? What's up, man? Yeah. Let's see it. Y'all need to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, man. Yeah.
Got it. All right, subscribe.
Yeah. Appreciate that, man. I got a giveaway coming up soon, about 500 scars. Yeah. When I hit that 500 scars, somebody getting a Royal World Store light. Yeah. Bro, this your truck right here?
That's mine, yeah.
That's clean right there. I ain't never seen too many people do a cow hood though. That's different right there.
Yeah, it's Black
Yeah.
Widow.
Man. Oh, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. Got the what, split sevens on here?
Yeah.
Got any motor work, anything done to it? Anything?
No, actually, the motor.
Man, so you got a 5.3 in it?
Yeah, it's 5.3.
I like it, man. It's silly.
I got wheel lights too, but
Yeah.
I run my battery down.
Hey, I know what you mean, man. See, I drive the 11 gen up
I
from
heard you're
50.
Malik's brother, right?
Nah, Blake's my cousin.
Oh, okay.
You know, King, Zach King?
Yeah.
That's my brother.
Oh, okay.
Malik Townsend is my cousin. And my name Malik too.
Okay.
Yeah, so we got the same name, so it should be easy to remember. Yep. But man, I got basically ain't too many 11 gens. I got a 11 gen 450s on it. My truck we kind of rare around the scenes. I just bought a full draw lift.
Trying to get some sixes, but nobody want to trade for 22.
Oh, I thought they were 24 from where they look like. Yeah.
22.
Everybody right here. What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying?
This is you? This is you right here? That's what's up, man. I'm King Boy, Malik. Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up? What's up? All right, here we are. It's supposed to be in see. What's up? Oh, it's all good. It's all good. What's up, man? What's up? I'm the King Boy. No, give me like a big, and a bit slide.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
All right, give me my battery.
Big,
Your battery did. He doesn't burn it.
Yeah, get some roll. So quick. Oh yeah, you already know, man. So, I tell you what.
Same truck club.
I tell you what. You live around here?
No, hell no.
He came from San Antonio. You came from San Antonio? Yeah. so you can put the dual socks on there you want to, the dual hoops.
Yeah, I just gotta find the hoops and everything for it.
See, I heard that right there. And yeah, that's a 7 to 9, ain't it? Ride real smooth too.
Oh yeah, that's it. About 7.5.
Yeah.
I was at about 8.5.
8.5. I heard that right there, man. Heck yeah. You ain't got no body lift on it, do you?
No, not yet. I'm gonna wait, hold off on the body lift till I get sell those wheels, get the bigger ones.
Yeah. What you ever figure out what your next thing you gonna do?
Probably like 26, about 16s, and
Yeah.
probably 37.
Yeah. Yeah. You still got damn near 80% tread on top, so you probably won't.
I don't even drive it. I don't
Yeah.
even drive this truck.
Yeah.
Driving a big truck all throughout the week.
I feel you on that, so you ain't never at the house, so man, yeah.
That's her loaded back down. Trying to get back to the house. That's mine.
Yeah.
That's his truck.
That's yours. I like that too, man. It's clean.
We're running 100 with a trailer behind us. Ain't nowhere. It looks a little different. All I did was paint a few things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Doors bigger.
Alright, Dad. What's up, man? I see you looking over there. How you doing? Alright, there you go. There you go. You want to get your handshake too, man? That's it. I don't know if what's up, man? What's up? Hey, what's going on, man? Hey, hold up. Doing alright. How you doing? Alright.
I can make a check in my sleep. I stay in my lane like a street. Only work the range for a week. It's 20 bands for the seats. Commas come on all my receipts. I feel like a dog I can eat. I done took the doors off a Jeep. I don't play with my nose, but I'm geek. I know I want some.